Hey y'all, so today we are focusing going from this look, this look, basic, just plain out basic, to an Instagram baddie or a Snapchat baddie or Facebook baddie. Whatever type of baddie you want to be, we're gonna go from this to that type of baddie. First we're gonna start off with these eyes. I'm gonna be wearing these, you'll see when I put them in. They're gray contacts from my local beauty supply store. Second, we're gonna fix this hair. Put on. This is the back. I just put the top one. I slide it on like the top of my forehead first. So now that we are done with number one, our eyes, number two, our hair, we can go in and beat our face. For my eyebrows, I'll be using, I don't even know the name of this pencil, but it came from Dollar Tree for $1, and I will be using LA Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm gonna go in with my retinol spray. I bought this from my local TJ Maxx, and I'm gonna just spray my beauty. I'm gonna spray my beauty blender and just, yeah, I just lost. I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna take my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend it out. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go back in and fix this brow because y'all see that? I don't know what I was thinking. So we're back, and as I always do, I finish my left brow off camera, and we're gonna prime these eyelids and get into this eyeshadow. To prime my eyes, I will be using my NYX eye primer in the color white, and I will be setting my primer with my Hard Candy translucent powder. And for my eyeshadow, I will be using my Nubian 2 palette by Julia. I'm going to go in with this palette and use the black because my Nubian 2 palette doesn't have a black. I'm going to go back in with my brush that I use for my transition color, and I'm going to just blend back and forth in a windshield wiper motion. Back in with this palette that I used earlier with the black, and I'm going to use that black for the outer corner. finished with my eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with some mascara so I can add some lashes. And this is Volumeless Lash Paradise, and it is by L'Oreal from the Walmart. And today I'll be using these Kiss lashes from Walmart. I think a pack was like $7 or $8, and I'll be applying them on with my Kiss eyelash adhesive strip lash glue, and it's clear, and it worked well for me, so hopefully. So I'm gonna just shake these. They don't take long to dry. So now we're going to get into it, this face beat, and I'm going to begin with my Hard Candy Primer, and they sell this at Walmart for a very reasonable price. I will set my Hard Candy Primer with, let me find it, I found it. I will be setting my primer with my Hard Candy Translucent Powder. Using my favorite, one of my favorite drugstore foundation. Well, right now is my favorite drugstore foundation. It is the Fit Me Maybelline. So I'm gonna go in with this little beauty blender, and I'm not even really sure where I bought it from. I'm gonna just dab that in. I'm gonna also take this nose ring out so I don't get in the way, and I'm gonna add a little bit more, just because that's my preference. And yeah, that's about it. That's just my preference. I'm gonna just go in, and I like to actually rub it all on my face first before I actually go in with my before I like spray my beauty blender and like blend it out. So yeah, I like to just do it like that first. Once we get everything blended out, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline concealer, and this is in the color 30, and it's called Cafe.
Y'all see this? I have a huge forehead, so I don't like to highlight as much. Just like a dab. We're trying to like make this forehead go away. We're not trying to bring it out anymore. So I don't want to highlight it so everybody can just look at my big forehead. No way. No.
Then I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup, and I'm gonna set up under my eyes. And I'm not the type of person that sit here and bake for like, I know people that sit and bake for like 5 minutes, and you know, that used to kind of be my thing. But I don't. And then sometimes I feel like the longer you leave Sacha Buttercup, sometimes I feel like it's a whole lot harder to get off, and then you look real ashy. So I don't like to leave it there for that long. I just sit it there to set it, and then bam, I'm dusting it off. And we're gonna contour. When I contour my cheekbones, I go back in my Nubian 2 eyeshadow palette, and I actually contour in the color Kenya. I use that not for my forehead, but I use it just for my jawbone. So I'm going to contour my jawbone with this. I go in just a little bit, and I'm going to, I know I look crazy, but I'm going to pull my mouth over, and right there I'm going to So I would be using this it's by Revolution, and it's called Triple Baked Bronzer Hot Summer of Love, and I got it from my Ulta. I got it from my Ulta, and it was on sale for like $3.48. So I would be using this as a highlight on my cheeks and the bridge of my nose, and probably a little bit up under my eyebrow. And it probably was on sale because when I got it, it was kind of broke up. But I like to focus more on this darker one and not the lighter one, so. Cupid's right there. I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance medium to dark contour palette. So for these lips, using the same pencil that I use for my brows. For my lippy, I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie. What is this? Lippy? In the color Teddy. I'm going to go in the middle with, this is by Ruby Kisses. I bought this from my local beauty supply store, and it is in the color Tickle Me Silly. And I'm going to just put it right in the middle. Then I'm going to go in with this lip gloss that I purchased from my local Dollar Tree.